Now onto the miniature tubes, 6AT6. Dead tube. Quick update on the old tube tester here. This 7-pin socket has been problematic ever since I've been working with this thing, and I am weary of struggling with getting a tube to make contact to get the filaments working and to test the thing out. So I really can't tell if it's a good tube or not, just because it's a bad socket with an intermittent issue. So I'm going to open this thing up. I have a 7-pin socket here from my stash with a Bakelite base and with the solder lugs, and it's even got the ears there, so I can use that with these existing screws and nuts to get that back in its place. So yeah, this should make tests a lot more reliable in the future. Alrighty, almost there. Now begins the task of desolder all these wires, drop the new one in there, and resolder all the connections. Trying to find pin 1. I think that's pin 1 there, because that's where my gap is. Dusty. Ta-da. All right, what can I possibly do? Okay, there's all those. All right, revisiting this 686 here. There we go. Good result. That's better. All right, that's a good tube. All right, good job. Now back to repairing the TV.